Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that every Toyota, Lexus, or Scion owner should know about, the ANCEL TD700 all-system OBD2 scanner. We've found this scanner for you, and you can find the link in the description below to check for the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is the ANCEL TD700? This is an advanced OBD2 scanner specifically designed to work seamlessly with Toyota, Lexus, and Scion vehicles. It allows you to read and clear diagnostic trouble codes, monitor vehicle performance, and perform various system tests, all from the convenience of your garage or driveway. It's a must-have tool for any car enthusiast or DIY mechanic. Now, let's talk about some key features of the ANCEL TD700. First, it offers comprehensive system coverage, meaning it can access all major systems in your vehicle, including the engine, transmission, ABS, and airbag systems. This allows you to get a complete picture of your vehicle's health. It also comes with a user-friendly interface, featuring a large color display that makes it easy to navigate through menus and read codes. Another notable feature is its ability to perform live data monitoring. This means you can see real-time data from your vehicle's sensors, which is incredibly useful for diagnosing issues as they occur. The scanner also supports multiple languages, making it accessible to a broader range of users. Plus, it comes with a protective case, ensuring that your investment stays safe and secure when not in use. Now, who is this product suitable for? The ANCEL TD700 is ideal for DIY mechanics who want to save on costly trips to the dealership or auto repair shop. It's also perfect for professional mechanics who need a reliable tool for quick diagnostics. Additionally, if you're a car enthusiast who likes to keep tabs on your vehicle's performance, this scanner will surely become your best friend. Let's discuss some practical use cases. Picture this: your check engine light comes on, and instead of panicking or rushing to a mechanic, you simply plug in the TD700. Within moments, you'll have access to the trouble codes along with potential fixes. Or maybe you're interested in monitoring your vehicle's fuel efficiency over time. The live data monitoring feature allows you to track that and make adjustments accordingly. In summary, the ANCEL TD700 is a powerful, user-friendly OBD2 scanner that provides comprehensive diagnostics for Toyota, Lexus, and Scion vehicles. Its array of features makes it a superb choice for both DIY mechanics and professionals alike. Don't forget to check the link in the description for more details. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.